Welcome to the August Seasonal DIY Centerpiece Open Challenge. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Eventful Living with Kay, and May's Design Corner. I'm going to have 3 different vases that I'm going to be using for a fall floral arrangement. One was that terracotta vase, and then I have this white vase with brown spots on it, and then this rustic pitcher with a bird on it. And I even have these little pumpkin dishes that I'm going to be using as a flower pot. So I'm going to start with these eucalyptus leaves in the terracotta pot. I have 2 of those. Then I'm going to be adding these sunflower picks. So I'm just going to strategically place those inside the vase, and I have 3 of those. And all the florals I've had, I've either purchased them at the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. So there was the 3rd stem. And then next I'm going to add these fall colored fern leaves. I just have 2 of those. So I just place them on opposite sides of the vase toward the bottom. And I have a couple single stem sunflowers that I'm just going to add where I feel that they are needed. So I think this is looking really pretty. So this is mainly sunflowers and orange leaves. And I'm just going to add a couple more of the orange leaves to it. So I like the fact that this one is yellow and orange together. And this is my floral arrangement DIY number 1. So once I've got all of my flower arrangements completed, you'll have to let me know which one you like best. Oop, one of the sunflowers just fell. So I just tucked it in. Okay, so this one is complete. A beautiful fall arrangement. Okay, number 2 is coming up. And this one is going to be in the bird pitcher. The bird pitcher I thrifted. And I'm going to be adding rose-like yellow flowers. And these are very similar to what I grow in my own garden called Julia Child roses. And I also added some white daisies. And I have 3 bundles of that with the rose-like flowers and the daisies. And I have a couple more stems of the yellow roses. So I think this is coming together beautifully. And then I have a couple more stems of the white daisies. So isn't that pretty? I love that one. And to give it a little bit more of a wispy look, I added some more daisies. So this completes the 2nd arrangement. So there we go. Coming up is arrangement number 3. Okay, and this one is going to be the white vase with the brown spots on it. And again, I'm going to use a couple of the eucalyptus stems. Vase came from the Dollar General. And I'm also going to be adding fall leaves in a beautiful burnt orange color. This is a nice combination as well, the maple leaf with the eucalyptus. Now here is a pick that has small little flowers on it, little orange flowers. And then I also have some more orange flowers that I'll be adding to it. I'm not sure what those are called. Again, those would have been from the Dollar General. So I think this is turning out really pretty. And then there's one daisy. And some more fall leaves. So here I've created 3 fall floral arrangements, and they're all budget friendly. So I'm just adding a little more orange color to the back. I do try to make the flower arrangements look pretty all the way around. So that completes the 3rd flower arrangement. Now, as an extra little final touch, I'm using these pumpkin canisters, and I take the top off, and I'm just going to take small little picks, and I clustered them together. And I'm going to place those inside, and then just place the lid off to the side. And I do the same thing to the little orange pumpkin. I just add some small floral picks with little pine cones. I think that looks so cute and adorable. So I'm just going to add that to the table with the lid off to the side. So that completes my challenge for today of creating a fall floral centerpieces. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave a comment and a like. And I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully you got some ideas on how you can put together a very budget-friendly fall floral arrangements. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.